The infrastructural changes in the contribution of economic sectors to the GDP of Bangladesh are as follows. Sectors contribution percentage 1991 0001 2013 2014. Agriculture 29.23 25.03 16.50 Industry 21.04 26.20 29.55 Services 49.73 48.77 53.95. What is the natural environment? The natural environment is made up of various natural elements such as soil, water, air, heat, light, plants, oceans, rivers, animals, etc. B. Explain that Bangladesh is a developing country. Characteristics of Bangladesh's economy, structural changes and a growing trend in economic development have been created. Continued efforts to reach higher levels of development through the use of the components of the economy. As a result, development in agriculture and industry, increase in per capita income, GDP growth, etc. has improved. And as this trend continues, Bangladesh has become a developing country in South Asia. C. Present the contribution of economic sectors in 2013 to 2014 in the light of stimuli. Image description. The role of economic sectors in 2013-14 in the light of stimuli is presented below. The figure shows different segments on the land axis and different years or times on the vertical axis. The figure shows that in 2013-14, the contribution of agriculture sector was 16.50%. Contribution of industry was 29.55% and contribution of services sector was 53.95%. Here the contribution of service sector is more than others, and if we look at the agriculture, industry and service sectors of the last year, it is seen that the achievement of 2013-14 is more than last year. Only the contribution of agriculture sector is less than the previous year, where the agricultural sector achieved in 90 to 91 years 23% there decreased to 25.03% in 2001 and further decreased to 16.50% in 2013-14. Analyze the rationale of the statement based on the stimulus. Bangladesh's economy is no longer dependent on agriculture. In 1990-91, the agricultural sector achieved 29.23%, whereas in 2000 to 2001 it was 25.03% and in 2013-14 it was 16.50%. On the other hand, prosperity has changed. In this context, it can be said that the economy of Bangladesh has gained some dependence on services and industry. The main reasons for this are increase in education rate, increase in per capita income, arrival of rural population in urban areas, keeping pace with the developed world, increase in its use of capital in services and industries. Recruitment of skilled manpower trained in the said sector plays a role in improving the sector. But no country can reach the pinnacle of development without balanced development in other sectors including agriculture and industry. Bangladesh is giving less priority to the agricultural sector than before. As a result, the achievements of the agricultural sector in Bangladesh are showing adverse effects of the change of time, and the economy is losing its agricultural dependence. Therefore, it can be said that the above statement is logical.